guys, so this is all I'm going to be working with today for this beautiful salad I'm working on for you guys. So I got some kale, cucumber, tomatoes, carrots, cabbage. We're going to cut those different cuts, various type of cuts. Over here we got what we're going to use to make our vinaigrette. Some red wine vinegar, a little bit of sugar, some salt and pepper, a little bit of water, some oil, and that's it. All right, so let's get cutting. All right, so for our kale, just gonna get two and fold them together, make a circle. Guys. Our cucumber, we're going to cut this in like that. Take off this end. We're going to cut this one line down the skin on that side. And do the same thing on the other side. All right. What we're going to do now, we're going to cut in half, cut in quarters, and just get like quarter of an inch, like that. All right, I'm gonna add that to our kale. Nice salad, guys. You're gonna love this one. For our tomato, we're gonna cut the head off. And we're gonna cut that also in half. Keep the seeds in, keep everything in. Just cut this piece off. Now we're gonna go for similar shape as the cucumber, but a little bit thicker. For your cabbage, so I'm going to cut this in half. We're just going to shred this. Make sure your knife is really sharp, guys. All right, then you want to get them no bigger than this. All right. All right, so we got enough cabbage. Add that to that. Just a quick mix. Now it's time to add our carrots. But we're not gonna cut the carrots. We're gonna grate the carrots. So, all right. Get some carrots, wash and clean. We're going to use this part of the grater. I mean, if you have time, you could have cut them too, but I think this is much easier. Just be careful when you're doing this, guys. You don't want to get a piece of finger in there. All right. We're gonna give this a good mix of the carrots in. Nice salad, guys. All right, now let's work on our dressing, vinaigrette, if you may. All right, so for our salad, we're gonna start by adding salt and pepper. Add the oil, some sugar, gonna add some vinegar. Break out your whisk. What happens is you're just gonna whisk this. All right, that's good. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and pour this all over our salad. Let's give it a quick mix. There you go, guys. Nice and healthy salad. You don't have to put the sugar, but traditionally when I'm eating the salad, I always get that sweet kick from it, from the sugar, and then that bitter, that harsh, sharp taste from the vinegar. Acidic, so complements each other. So that's it, guys. Nice salad.